Welcome to Idrees Tech Review. Today, we're making Microsoft Copilot easy to understand for everyone. Imagine having a smart assistant that helps you work faster and smarter. That's Microsoft Copilot. Copilot is an advanced AI built into Microsoft's popular apps. It helps you write, organize, and create without any technical skills. There are three main versions: free Copilot for everyone, Copilot Chat for real-time guidance, and Microsoft 365 Copilot for premium productivity. The free Copilot answers questions and helps draft content. Copilot Chat lets you have conversations and get step-by-step help. Microsoft 365 Copilot works fully inside Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. Let's see how Copilot helps you in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. In Word, Copilot drafts reports. In Excel, it summarizes data and creates charts. In PowerPoint, it builds presentations from bullet points. In Outlook, it organizes emails. In Teams, it finds action items from meetings. Copilot Pages is a smart workspace. You can combine notes, documents, and ideas with AI suggestions to keep everything organized. Let's see Copilot in action. Need an email? Copilot drafts it. Need to summarize a document? Copilot handles it. Need slides for a meeting? Copilot builds them. Miss tasks after a call? Copilot gives you action items. Need research? Just ask. Copilot is like a smart work assistant. It helps you move from idea to finished work faster than ever. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and support Idrees Tech Review for more simple tech videos.